Coming at you again for another episode of Mascara University to talk about my favorite product, the Uplift Eye Serum. This puppy has lasted me a very long time. It is almost on its last legs here, and I'm probably going to use the rest of it right now, but I want to talk to you about this awesome eye serum. This is perhaps the most natural of our products in my mind. It has the least amount of ingredients I find, and it works phenomenal on these tired mummy eyes. And it does that because it is chock full of antioxidants, vitamin C and D and CoQ10. It is actually created using squalene, and squalene that is derived in this Uplift Eye Serum comes from sugarcane. But squalene is the most common lipid in our human body, produced by the skin cells, and it is a natural moisturizer. And unfortunately, if you're over 20, like I am, I'm like 22, obviously, your lipid production of squalene decreases. So this is such an awesome, phenomenal product to use for anti-aging and depuffing and deminimalizing. And the reason that it works so well is it contains the iris bedella leaf extract. And that is actually a plant from Africa, which actually helps densify, firm, reduce wrinkles. And it's so great to work with the CoQ10 to help refirm, as well as repair the collagen and elastin that you already have in your skin. The vitamin C in the Uplift Eye Serum actually helps reverse the DNA damage and produce some collagen as well. But because it is an antioxidant, it actually helps prevent damage from UV rays, which is really awesome because I suffer from scars all over my face due to a really bad accident. So in the summertime, I'm very, very careful with applying moisturizer and sunscreen. So I like to actually use the Uplift as well to kind of counterbalance, just in case some of those affected areas, like the tip of my nose, and I had a really bad burn here too, just in case they have had a little bit of extra exposure. So, like I said, this Uplift Eye Serum is a oilless oil, but don't let that fool you. Even though it is an oilless oil, it still has oil-like properties. So it is highly recommended that you use it during the nighttime, after your nighttime routine, as I'm gonna do some right now because I'm doing a pamper day. After your nighttime routine, because if you apply it before you apply your makeup, it is going to actually make your makeup come off or to run, because it does have the oil-like properties, and most makeup removes very easily with oil. So I like to use it under my eyes to depuff. I like to use it on my crazy forehead wrinkles because I have very expressive eyebrows. See? There, look at that. I also, like I said, I will use it a little bit on the tip of my nose or the spots that I had my really bad burn. It also works great for your lips, to do chapped lips, a face scrub. You can also use it as a cuticle oil to actually help make your cuticles super, super awesome and soft and supple. And the really awesome thing about this is that it is actually coated on the fibers of your 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. This is actually helping moisturize and hydrate your lashes to decrease any breakage or fallout that you may have. So I absolutely love this bottle. I literally cannot live without it. It is my favorite thing in the world, and I know you're gonna love it too. Talk to you later.